On January 22, 2025, Samsung officially launched the latest Galaxy S25 Ultra series at the Galaxy Unpacked 2025 event at SAP Center, San Jose, California. Comes with a slimmer and uniform design with other models. Well, that's why here is a complete review of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, along with reviews and prices that you must know. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra features a new design that is slimmer and more comfortable than its predecessor. With a strong titanium frame and rounded corners, the phone feels more ergonomic in the hand, reducing slipperiness and hand pressure. The screen size is slightly larger at 6.9 inches, with bezels that are up to 15% thinner, providing a wider visual experience without increasing the physical size of the device. Premium materials, such as Corning Gorilla Armor 2 glass, improve scratch and impact resistance by 29% over the previous generation. The phone is also lighter, with a reduced weight of 15 grams, making it easier to use for long periods of time. The minimalist camera design is retained with new elements, such as the camera ring that looks more prominent and elegant. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is available in a wide selection of modern titanium colors, such as titanium silver blue, titanium black, and titanium gray, with exclusive options such as titanium jade green and titanium pink gold on Samsung.com. The combination of luxurious aesthetics and durability makes this device reflect the unified identity of the Galaxy S series. The Galaxy S25 Ultra's display offers a significant upgrade while retaining the technology it has come to rely on. Using a QHD Plus AMOLED panel, the 6.9-inch with QHD Plus resolution, 1440 by 3120 pixels, ensures images remain sharp, while adaptive refresh rate technology from 1 Hz to 120 Hz provides a smooth visual experience as needed. The display also features ProScaler, the latest technology derived from Samsung's TV line to increase content resolution with the help of AI, enabling battery savings without sacrificing visual quality. The screen material is also upgraded with Corning Gorilla Glass Armor 2 protection, which is claimed to be 29% more scratch and shatter resistant than the previous generation. In addition, a new generation anti-reflective feature ensures better visibility in sunlight or bright light. With a peak brightness of up to 2600 nits, the display remains clearly visible in various lighting conditions. The combination of thinner bezels, anti-reflection, and higher durability makes the Galaxy S25 Ultra's screen one of the most advanced in its class. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra brings significant improvements to its camera system, especially to the ultra-wide lens. The resolution of the ultra-wide lens is now increased from 12 megapixels to 50 megapixels, providing sharper and more detailed results, especially for macro photography. The main lens continues to use a 200-megapixel sensor with a 1.7 aperture and optical image stabilization, or OIS, while the 5x optical zoom telephoto lens maintains a resolution of 50 megapixels, and the 3x optical zoom telephoto lens remains at 10 megapixels. In the zoom sector, the Galaxy S25 Ultra offers a combination of 50 megapixel, 5x optical zoom, and 10 megapixel, 3x optical zoom telephoto cameras with up to 100x space zoom capability. The camera performance of the Galaxy S25 Ultra is not only enhanced through hardware specifications, but also through various advanced AI features. With the customized ProVisual Engine and Spatial Temporal Filter, or STF for short, the image processing quality is improved, resulting in sharper and less noisy photos, especially in low-light conditions. Video features have also improved, including the ability to record 10-bit HDR footage that offers 4 times richer color range compared to the previous version. In addition, Samsung introduced the log format for videos, giving professional videographers greater creative control in adjusting lighting and color during the editing process. Features such as audio eraser also enable specific removal of background noises from videos for cleaner audio results. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipset, a custom variant optimized specifically for the Galaxy S25 series to maximize the AI capabilities and overall performance of the device. With an overclocked 3nm architecture, the chipset offers significant improvements over its predecessor, being 40% faster on the AI processing unit, or NPU, 37% on the CPU, and 30% on the GPU. These improvements enable a smoother and more realistic gaming experience thanks to ray tracing capabilities that are improved by 40%. In addition, the chipset supports advanced cooling technology with a 40% larger vapor chamber, ensuring optimal performance during intensive use without overheating. With 12 GB of RAM integrated, the device is capable of handling a variety of demanding tasks, from multitasking to complex AI-based applications. Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy is also equipped with the next-generation Pro Visual Engine, which enables faster and more efficient image and video processing, supporting advanced camera features such as ProScaler and virtual aperture. With support for AI cross-action apps and deep integration with Google Gemini, the chipset enables AI features such as Now Brief, Audio Eraser, and Circle to Search to work more efficiently and responsively. In addition, there are no Exynos variations in the S25 series, ensuring global performance consistency. Speaking of the battery, there is actually no change that is quite wow, because the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra retains the 5,000 mAh battery capacity like its predecessor, but brings better efficiency thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor based on 3nm technology. Snapdragon 8 Elite, along with a vapor chamber enlarged by 40% and a new thermal interface material, or TIM for short, allows for more efficient heat dissipation and better resource allocation, thus extending battery life, even though the capacity remains the same. Although the charging speed remains at 45 watts, Samsung ensures that the Galaxy S25 Ultra can last all day, even with intensive use, similar to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. In addition, the Galaxy S25 Ultra supports Qi2 wireless charging, but requires compatible external accessories, as the phone does not have built-in magnets to support the standard directly. With software optimization and MDNIE technology integrated in the custom chipset for more efficient battery usage, it allows users to enjoy up to 31 hours of video viewing without recharging. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is now available for pre-order in Indonesia with 4 color options: titanium silver blue, titanium white silver, titanium gray, and titanium black. Consumers can choose from 3 storage configurations, namely 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB, each equipped with 12 GB of RAM. Pricing for the Galaxy S25 Ultra in Indonesia is as follows: 12 GB, RAM, 256 GB, internal memory, priced at $1,422. 12 GB, RAM, 5 and 12 GB, internal memory, priced at $1,545. And 12 GB of RAM, 1 TB of internal memory, priced at $1,793. Pre-orders are already open and official shipping will begin on February 7, 2025. You can already order it directly on the official Samsung.com website.